Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to cook these sausages in an air fryer. I did make a video one time, it's actually our most famous video, a couple of million views or something, where we do a boil and burn or boil and fry. People absolutely lose their shit about it. Fantastic, I love it. This is really simple. 180, 15 minutes, bang it in an air fryer, that's the result. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, look, these are the sausages that I'm using. These are a pork sausage. Of course, the filling makes no difference. Beef, chicken, veg, whatever you got. Quite chunky little fellas. Very simply, what we're going to do, we're going to get them into the air fryer, touch of oil, 180, 15 minutes. Perfect. So let's just pop these in. Now, I've already got a little touch of oil in there. The amount you can put in is up to you. I mean, there's probably like just a tablespoon, I think, in total. 180, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 180, delicious, perfect. See you later.